Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread pizza. First, gather your favorite bread slices, pizza sauce, and shredded cheese. You'll also need any toppings you love, like pepperoni or vegetables. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. This quick prep ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's assemble your delicious bread pizzas. Arrange your bread slices neatly on the parchment-lined baking sheet. Spoon about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce onto each slice, spreading it evenly to the edges. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. This forms the perfect base for your toppings. It's time to personalize your bread pizzas with your favorite toppings. Carefully place pepperoni, sliced olives, bell peppers, or any other desired ingredients over the cheese. Once topped, place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the bread edges are golden brown and crispy. Keep a close eye on them. Once your bread pizzas are perfectly baked, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. The pizzas will be hot, so let them cool for about 2 to 3 minutes before handling. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set and prevents burns. Slice them into halves or quarters, or any shape you prefer, and serve immediately. Enjoy your quick, delicious homemade bread pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.